this too.
I hope I get a video and I'm going to send it up to Ben and Jerry and say, you know, who's the next generation?
We can create anything we want. We can imagine literally any reality, and I only want these children to imagine a reality where we love, where we are kind, where we live in community with one another, and I want them to hold on to that literally for the rest of their lives, because the longer we hold on to that and the more we exalt that, the better we can create the world, and the more we can wipe out the hate, we wipe out the fear, and we can fill that up with love and beauty and happiness and all of the things. And they have it now, they just gotta hold on to it literally forever.